So the glimpse experience is my favorite thing in dentistry. It allows me to create a design for somebody specifically, and then we get to try it in and they get to feel what it's like to have that smile that they've always wanted. There's a difference between seeing a picture and visualizing it and kind of understanding it versus like having it in your smile and like feeling what it's like to smile really big and to see your lips move like they should. Being able to provide this for people is an amazing opportunity, an amazing experience for me. A glimpse experience is something that I offer to patients when they come in and they're looking to enhance their smile. I feel so strongly about the power of people feeling what their smile looks like on them that I want them to experience this because I know they're going to be making the right decision for them. With the glimpse try-in experience, Monique is able to see like what 10 veneers would look like for her. She's always had small teeth, she's always had dark stains on her teeth, and she's had fillings that have been done in between her front teeth, so she just holds her smile back and hasn't been able to really let it go. What this is going to do, create a healthy smile by getting rid of the staining, by getting rid of the older restorations, the bondings that have been on there, and we're able to lengthen her teeth. We're able to create teeth that fit her face, they fit the frame of her lips, the symmetry, the size. We can get some longer teeth and a wider smile. This is just gonna like go hand in hand with her personality and finally be able to let her be that confident person that she is. Hi, I'm Dr. Landon Libby, cosmetic implant and sedation dentist here in San Diego. Follow me for more healthy tips for your teeth.